One of the most important things that really helped my career in LCBT was speaking to people within the industry, how to conduct yourself. A lot of our lecturers were beauty experts and had so much experience in the industry.
We're obviously closely linked with the industry, so we've got a lot of contacts. They can do work experience. If that goes well, they might even get a job opportunity.
We are at the Careers Fair to shout about all our exciting opportunities that we have at Benefit Cosmetics.
We do really appreciate our networking opportunities here, and we also have some great people working on counter that have come from LCBT.
I'm at the Careers Fair to connect with the up-and-coming talent and hopefully be an employer of choice to these students.
I'm here today to kind of showcase what Townhouse can do for the teams within the college when they come out and they're looking for employment, what they can get access to.
I definitely see in these students they're very confident and driven.
I feel like it really helped me a lot with like my creativity, the health and safety and stuff like that of the makeup industry, because I wouldn't have learned that anywhere else.
Just do it. Just go for it. It's the best thing I've ever done. I love coming to school here. You'll meet so many great new friends as well.